Well, that first burger was pretty good, but now I've outwitted you. I defrosted this one overnight. Oh, I don't remember how long I'm supposed to cook it when it's defrosted. Still can't tell. No idea. Well, I'm gonna say 2 minutes. Yep, that's defrosted, ready to go. Alright, let's give it a go here. Oh boy, yep. Have my microwave on a higher shelf, but then this stupid little plate keeps coming off, and I can't see high enough to reach it. So it's gonna be back on Mr. Chair. Alright, Mr. Burger, we got 2 minutes. I'm not gonna defrost it. I'm not gonna touch nothing except for this. And this again. And this again. Maybe a minute and a half. I don't know. I'll try a minute and a half and see what happens. I think it might be too much in 2 minutes. And I totally forgot what it said on the package. And it's on the package. So I can't really tell how long. Let's see, it's here. Does that make it any easier? Something about defrosting. Get my cheaters on. Where are you? There you are. These are cleaner. Maybe they can do. Let's see. Oh. Nope. That ain't cutting it. Alright. Something about. Oh. Best results. Oh, we're cooking. Literally. What? Oh, it's done. That's more like it. Let's hope this is the burger we've been waiting for. A better reach. Well, if it is, I'll defrost another one later. Okay, Mr. Microwave. See if you did your job. Good and hot. Pretty soft. Burning my fingers. Alright, no land this burn. Wow, I burned my finger good. Let's see how it goes. Fling that over there. Move this here. Move all this stuff so I can get back to my chair. I'm telling you, it's work. Alright. Come here, Mr. Burger. Alright. Let's just see. Maybe I need ketchup or. I don't know. It's an Angus burger. Whoa! Spun back on my chair. Alright. Hot. Pretty good looking. Here we go. Not bad. Alright. I'm feeling for inconsistencies in the heat. Not getting any. Little iced tea, which I forgot. Got my water in my, what do we call it, my smoothie glass. I should have rinsed it out first. Oh well. I'll throw some tea in there. Get my tea from Mr. Floor here. Ah! There we go. Don't know if I'm strong enough to do it with one hand. Put it under my armpit. Ugh. Oh, sorry. Oh, come on. Hey, one more twist. Oh, ow, all over my pants. Oh, it's not good. I knew I shouldn't have held it that way. Oh well. I'll get that later. Time for my tea. Hold up some tea. Throw some sugar on it. Oh, that should work. All right, I'm going to enjoy my lunch now. Thanks for checking back with me. My next adventure, I don't know. Oh, that was a good burger. I'm not even done with it yet. All right, I guess I'll give it. I'm going to make some pancakes next, so see you next time. And thanks for joining me for lunch. Oh, another bite should do it. That's pretty hot. Burning my fingers. Not bad. Right? See you then.